Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious Leche Flan or crème caramel recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. 300 ml fresh milk, cup of condensed milk, vanilla extract, sugar, and 5 pieces of room temperature eggs, laneras or molders. And let's get started. Let's melt 4 tablespoons of sugar, put it in medium heat, melt the sugar until it gives an amber color. Once melted, turn off the gas and directly transfer it to our molders. Done, set aside. Let's crack 3 whole eggs. And only 2 egg yolk. Now it's done. Put a pinch of salt. Mix it. Mix slowly and let's add our fresh milk. Add the condensed milk and a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix all together slowly. Now done, let's strain. Strain to remove some lumps. Now done. Tap a bit to remove the formed bubbles. Our custard is ready. Now let's put our molders. Done. Now let's cover with aluminum foil. Covered very well. Now well covered. In the pan, let's stem our custard, prepared custard. Let's arrange them. Let's add hot water. Cover and steam for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, let's turn it off. Let's check it. Now let's check. Now our leche flan is done, but we need to put in the fridge for about 2 to 5 hours before serving. It's done. And I can wait to taste our delicious leche flan or crème caramel. And after 5 hours, let's put it in a serving plate. And our delicious cream caramel or leche flan is ready to serve.